I have it. Shit. God damn it.
The club, Coach.
No, that's horse shit. We can't use that one.
There, that's okay. Need to get a little more weight to the left.
That was a shitty fucking shot. That's what that was. This could take us till late the fucking afternoon to get this done. I'm not going to do this. Distance. Just like that, motherfucker. Roll back down here.
At this one now.
When we hit
swing on the stump.
When we hit toward the pin, Sam, I know I've got to have
more of a swing.
A little bit stronger swing. Just like that, motherfucker. Jesus Christ. Fucking mighty with that cocksucking fucking bullshit. Jesus Christ. Fucking mighty with that cocksucking fucking bullshit.